Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best USB-C to HDMI adapters you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many USB-C to HDMI adapters and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each USB-C to HDMI adapters so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a USB-C to HDMI adapter. First, check compatibility with your device, as not all USB-C ports support video output. Make sure the adapter supports the resolution and refresh rate you need, such as 4K at 60 Hz for smooth visuals. Consider build quality and materials, since a sturdy adapter with good shielding reduces signal loss. Look for plug-and-play functionality to avoid driver installation issues. Cable length can also matter, especially if you need flexibility in setup. Additionally, check for extra features like multiple ports if you plan to connect more devices. Finally, read user reviews and brand reputation to ensure reliability and long-term durability. These factors will help you make an informed purchase and get the best performance from your adapter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.